This
Recording.
conference will now be recorded.
So, good morning, everyone. Last class we discussed Python data types. Python data types I
Morning.
discussed.
Good morning.
So here I discussed already. One is a none type, and I discussed numbers, and I discussed in the numbers we discussed int, float, complex, and a sequence category. Here we discussed string, list, tuple, range, byte, byte array, and we have a sets. In the sets, we have a set and a frozen set. What is the difference? We'll let you know. And a map. In the map, we have a dictionary, and then we are having the Boolean. Okay. Now, coming to sets, we are having a data type set and a frozen set. So, how to declare this set? S1 equal to set of okay 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9. Okay. Now observe here. So here S1 equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, observe here. Print S1. Okay, S1. So here what happened is sometimes it is going to take the random numbers. Okay, or suppose S2 equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, S2. So here you can see random order it is going to take. Random order it is going to take. For suppose S3 equal to okay 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, S3. So here what happened is random output will be there, and if you observe the duplicates, it will not allow the duplicates. It will not allow the duplicates. So here what you can understand is set doesn't allow the duplicates. Set doesn't allow the duplicates. That is one thing. Okay, and if you observe here, the position is going to change. Here the position is last. Here the position is here. In the set, we cannot access the elements using the positions. Set object not subscriptable. So here set elements we cannot access using the positions. Now observe here S3. For k in S3, print k. So here you can access the elements using the loop. We can do looping operations like this. But set does not allow the duplicates, and we cannot access using the index positions. In the interview, they will ask this question. They will give the list. I am having a list of elements like this. Okay. Now, how to remove the duplicates from the list? In the interview, they will ask this question: how to remove the duplicates from the list? Then you can take like this. This is the list. Here, what I am going to do is S4 is equal to whatever the list I converted into the set data type. Now S4, which does not have any duplicates. Okay. Again, we can convert back to the list. Okay. If you observe type of the variable S4, set. Type of the variable RES, list. Okay, so here what you have to understand is set elements does not allow the duplicates, and we cannot access using the index position, and we can convert one data type to another data type. So when you're working on mathematical related, okay, in Python having the libraries, so some mathematical related there we can use this set. And if you observe here, for suppose consider S3 or you can go for S4. S4 is set. S4 dot update of, observe this one, 6 comma 7 comma 8 S4. We can add elements to the set. We can add elements to the set. Okay. So this is the set we can update. We can update the set. We can add elements to the set. Now the same thing, if I go for frozen set, for suppose yes, 1, 2, okay, I am having fs, as this is the set, it is going to remove the duplicates. Now okay, this if you try to update, we can update as I shown you before, 6 comma 7. Now this one, now the same thing. Yes, please make sense. Now this thing, okay, I am taking frozen set variable, frozen set of fs, whatever the set variable I converted into frozen set. Okay, type of the variable, frozen set. Now for frozen set, if you update this one, you can, if you try to add the elements to this one, we cannot update. So here what happened, guys, set we can update, frozen set can't update, frozen set can't update. Okay, that is about set and frozen set. So in the industry, in the real time, people are mostly using the set, and also in the interview point of view, people will ask the question how to remove the duplicates from the list. You can say we can convert list to set, and we can use that one, and then if you want to back, we can do that. Next we are having dictionary. Guys, this is very very important. In the real time, frequently we are playing with for loop, list, and a dictionary. If you know these three, you can write automation scripts. If you know these three, you can write automation scripts. Okay. Now dictionary. Dictionary contains data in the form of key comma value pair. In the form of key comma value pair. Now here, for suppose I am having a data days list equal to Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, okay, and Wednesday. Okay. Now the same thing, if it is in the dictionary, days underscore dictionary equal to 1 colon Sunday. You can take anything, Monday. Okay. Now, if you want to access this element, how we are going to access? Using index position. 0. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. Similar way, if you want to access this value, we have to use the key. If you want to access this value, we have to use the key. Access this value using key. So I can say days underscore dict of 1. Days underscore dict of 1. It is going to give the output this one. 2. It is going to output this one. Okay. And here I can say dictionary contains key comma value pairs. Using key, we can access the value. And I can say dictionary is a key based index. Dictionary is a key based index. Now, consider I am having a person details. In the list, I am going to take directly like this. Now, the same thing, if it is in the dictionary, we have to say like this. It should be key comma value pair. Gender male. Okay. Now, using key, we can access the value. Okay. Observe here. Now, type of the variable. Dictionary. Now, of ID. Observe this one. Name. Okay. Now, if you want to add element to the dictionary, if you want to add element to the dictionary, one way is we can use this one. Okay. So if you now observe here, this is the one way to add element to the dictionary. This is one way using update. We can add multiple elements to the dictionary. And here using one more method like this. Okay. Location, gender, mm, okay,
Color.
department. Okay, department, sales. Observe. This is the key. This is the value. Now observe here. Okay. ID, name, gender, location, pin code, department. So this is the way we can do. So one way is we can add elements to the dictionary like this. Another way is we can add like this. Okay, this one. For suppose If the key is already exist, okay, I want to make a modification. I want to make a modification. Now take this one. So for suppose name value I want to change or department value I want to change. Accounts. Okay. Now what is the value of this one? This is the one, right? So this is the way we can access the this one. For suppose I want, what is the person name I want? Okay. Now observe here. I got the details right. I got the details right. Okay. Now here, first what I'm going to do is, so this is one more thing actually. Dictionary, there is a predefined methods dot keys will give you list of keys. Dot values will give you list of values. In the dictionary, whatever the keys are there, this is going to provide the list of keys, and here it is going to provide the list of values. It is going to provide the list of values. Okay. So these two we have to remember, guys. Keys and values. This is very, very important. Remember this one. What keys is going to give you? Whatever the list of keys it is. Values is a list of values.
Excuse me, sir. Can we add any number of keys to the dictionary?
Number of pair we can
Number
add.
of, no,
Number of pair.
no.
For
You
suppose
have
this
given
one.
the ID, name, gender. Those are the keys you have informed. Like that,
So
can we have any number of keys or any limitation is
no,
there
no.
for it?
So what it is going to give you in the dictionary, whatever the keys are there, it is going to provide. Now, if you add an element to the dictionary, then you can see here. See, for suppose I am going to add one more element right now. Okay, I am having department location. One more key I'm one more element I am going to add. Now, if you check dictionary, which is having one more key comma value pair, whatever the only keys I want, these are all the keys.
I got this, but I wanted to know: is there any limit for the number of keys the
No, no, no,
dictionary
no,
can
no, no,
hold?
no, 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 no. So the elements can be any.
Okay.
Okay. Now, so first assignment in the program, I'm already having details like this. I'm already having a details student ID. Okay. Student name. Okay. School name. DPS. Okay. Take one dictionary. Take a program. Take one dictionary. Now, I want output. I want output student ID colon 101 student name Krish student school, okay, DPS, just normal print statement. So take a take this one output, you can write like this. Okay, This is the one. So like you can prepare the statements like this. So this is student ID, student name, this one school name. So that is one thing. And another one is output. I on output enter, enter, okay, enter this one account number, okay. I want to enter some account, enter account name, okay. I will enter some name, enter bank name, enter bank name. Now, so here after entering three details, I want to print a message account details, okay. I want output like this, account name. I want output like this. Guys, though it is simple, please do write a code, okay. So these three statements I want. After entering the details, I want to prepare a dictionary like this. So here what we can do is, from first take a empty dictionary, and then, okay, you can take any variable, input of enter account number, and then account name equal to input of enter account name, and then bank name equal to input of, okay. So make sure you have to mention the slashes, and then we have to output I want a dictionary. So what I am going to do is, for this dictionary I want to add an element. To add an element we can do like this. So this is the key comma value pair. So if you observe here, last time I added this one, so the output you can see this one. So here in my requirement I want output like this. So for this column I want to assign the value. This value I already assigned it to this variable. I am going to use this variable. Now tick to one of account name. So this one. So whatever the variable here, this is the one. Dict one of. So I want to output like this, but the value you are going to enter. So whatever the dictionary, we can take it. I have written this one, guys. You can implement practically. You can implement practically. Okay. So let me show you this one. Same thing. Otherwise, as this is the first time, right? Let it be. So here I am going to save this one in the dictionary. Okay, now observe here. Enter account number, name, bank name, account details. So this is the output I am expecting, right? Okay. Now, next, observe this one. I have to write a Python statement such a way that I want details like this. Enter number of students, 2 students. I want output. I want output. If it is 2 students, 2 times loop has to repeat. Okay. Or enter number of accounts. For suppose above we have, right? Okay. 2 account details I want to enter. So what it should ask? It should ask these details, and then I want to output this one. As this is the 2 times I want to repeat the loop. So again I want to add elements. Okay. Now I want to output this one. Okay. So 2 times. So 2 times loop has to repeat. This is the first time. This is the second time. Up to now, clear or not? So requirement clear first. Guys, are you able to follow? Hello. Yeah. As a record in the database. Not record in the database. Yeah, of course we can do, because key comma value pairs we can do. Sir, can we change the key value, which is immutable, which we cannot change? Value we can change, key we cannot. Is there any possible to delete element from the set? Okay, delete we cannot. You clarify the bracket to be used for set. Sometimes you are using flower brackets and sometimes you are using square bracket. Thank you. So people are confusing about the brackets related, guys. Okay, so hope you understand this one. Okay, now let me clarify with this one. Okay, string we can having single quotes, single quotes, double quotes, triple single quotes, triple double quotes. Okay, now if you want to access the elements, see, for suppose example Srinivas, if you access the elements using, okay, position number you can access. Yes. So if you want to access, if you want to get the positions, index position, you have to use the square brackets. Use the square brackets. But declaration we can do any of this. That is string related. List related, we have to use the square brackets only. For suppose consider I am having list 1 equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30. Now if you want to access using list index position only, we can access. So position here also square bracket, here also square bracket, but declaration this is different and this is the different. Now similar way tuple, we are having like this. Okay, if you want to access the tuple elements, we can go for declaration, we can do like this. But if you want to access the tuple positions, you have to use this one, square bracket only. Here also square bracket, here also square bracket, here also square bracket. But declaration this is different and this is different. Okay. Now Set related, we can use this one, but make sure the elements are normal unique single elements. Then this is the set, and set, okay, it cannot access using index. Dictionary, this is the dictionary, but make sure it is key comma value pair. Okay, so for suppose I declared like this, okay, it become a dictionary only. By default it become dictionary only. If you have a elements, if you declare like this, then become set. So if you simply declare the curly braces, it will be dictionary only. It will be dictionary only. Narasimha, clear? Yeah, thank you. So no, so this is one thing, guys. To implement this one, what I am going to do is, whatever the existed one, I can make a modification. So this is one time. Now, okay, I am going to repeat the same thing. Save as 13. Okay. So what I am going to do is, now the same operation I want to do multiple times. So here what I can do is, n equal to input of enter number of accounts. Input of enter number of accounts. So here, if I count it two times loop will be repeated for I in range of n. So two times loop will be repeated. Okay. Now if I enter 2, n value 2 for I in range of 2. Okay. For suppose here n value is 2. N equal to 2 for I in range of n 0 comma 1. So first time for 0 one iteration, one loop is repeated. For 1 one loop is repeated. Okay.
Sorry, we are not able to see your typing window.
Sorry.
We are not able to see your typing window where you are typing the program.
1 second. Let me share 1 second. So here you can see. So here I am typing here itself. Just now I
Yes,
typed
yes,
here.
yes, yes,
Okay.
yes. Now we are able to. Yes.
Yeah. So here what I am doing, guys. Next my requirement is, whatever the number of accounts I entered, all those into I want into one single. For suppose here my requirement is, okay, assignment 3 output. So here I am having the visitables. Okay, I am taking the visitable prices. Tomato, okay, 30 rupees. Potato, 40 rupees. Carrot, 50 rupees. Now I want output, I want output like this. Enter vegetable name. Okay, tomato. Enter quantity. Okay, 3 kgs. Now I want output vegetable details. I want output, okay, vegetable details. Tomato colon 3 into 30. Tomato, okay, colon 3 into 30, 90. So here what I have to do? First, vegetable name equal to input of enter vegetable. Now, next vegetable quantity input of enter vegetable quantity. Enter quantity, right? Okay. Now these two values are coming. Now I want a dictionary, so I'm going to take an empty dictionary. So here I want to value like this, output I want to value like this. So here total amount equal to quantity into vegetable price. So in this dictionary, see, for suppose I want this value, how do I get? Using key. So vegetable prices of this one. See, for suppose I want 30 value, how do I get? Using this, I'm going to enter this value, right? Using this value, I can get, using key, this key I can get the value. So for suppose here this is the one. So this value you are going to enter from the this one. Okay, assign to this variable. So I am using this one. Now in my requirement, I want output like this. So what I'm going to do is in the dictionary, I'm going to add a key. The key is this one. For this, I want value. The value is this one. Okay. Total print of dictionary. Print of dictionary. Okay. So this is the way we can prepare the dictionary. Next, my requirement is so make sure as this is our practice purpose, whatever the value you are enter, that will be in the dictionary. If not, how to handle coming classes, I will let you know. Next, my requirement is
Sorry, line number 166.
yeah,
Yeah, you are using wedge name. Is it okay?
yeah.
Wedge name.
This is the value. See, simple. Observe here. Take one variable. I'm having vegetable name equal to tomato. Okay. Now I am preparing a dictionary. Dict one of. So whatever the key, see, initially I am having this one like this, but now okay. For suppose 90. Dict one. Got what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I want one more output. Okay, enter number of vegetables. 2. Enter vegetable name, tomato. Okay, so consider you already having this dictionary in your program. Okay, now enter quantity 3. Enter vegetable name. Okay, potato. Enter quantity 4. Now I want output vegetable details. Okay, tomato colon 90 and then potato colon 120. 120. Okay, so here what you have to do is outside you have to prepare the dictionary before for loop. Okay, so here you have to prepare the dictionary outside, and you can write a for I in, sorry, so for I in, okay, n equal to input of enter number of vegetables. Okay, take one dictionary and for I in a range of n. Okay, now each loop I am going to add element to the dictionary. Add element to the dictionary. Try to do this one, guys. If not, I will explain this one tomorrow. Okay, dictionary is very important. Okay, so whatever the assignments I have given, try to complete this one, then only you will understand the next class and next sessions. Okay, now I explained very simple examples. Okay, so next classes I will tell you, okay, how you are going to use for automation scripts in Python. So we can use list, for, and the dictionary. How we can write, coming classes I will let you know, guys. Okay, today I will share this recording. I will practice this one, and whatever here, this entire notes I'm going to upload in the description, guys. So here I'm going to upload, I will upload in the dictionary. I will so here you can see the description, right? In the description I will provide this one. You can go through that one. Okay, whatever the assignments related, you can go to recording, or you can go through here. Okay, do one thing, go through the recording, then note it down and prepare an assignments, guys. So description today you will understand, people, new people will not understand. Okay, so you can go through the recording. So do these assignments and share it to me, and this is my email ID. And if you stuck anywhere, message me in WhatsApp. Okay, so this is from Pware Cloud Tech. You can message me, guys, if you stuck anywhere. So next class we will discuss operators. So there are different types of operators, so we'll discuss on it. Okay, so this is for today, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.